And we are back! Boom! Today, Nason will be reviewing his
Ice Dino Smashers.
Ice Dino Smashers! Get that one, Nason! Boom! Boom, boom, boom! Before we start, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you will be notified for our latest videos. So, hope you guys are ready. Are you ready, Nason?
Yeah!
Alright, let's do this! Show it to them, Nason. So this is a Dino Ice Age Ice Smashers. Yep. Look at that. So it comes with 6 eggs.
6 eggs?
Yep, 6 eggs. This box we have
There's a Triceratops and a Sabertooth.
Triceratops and what?
A Sabertooth.
Sabertooth
A blue one.
Blue Sabertooth tiger, guys.
Hey, there's other Sabertooths.
Yep. So let's see what we have in here, okay? Alright, Nason, do this. Whoa!
The egg already come out.
What is that? Whoa!
There's a
Let's see.
Triceratops and a
Put this on the
Sabertooth.
side. So, this is what we have. It's a free one.
Triceratops.
Look at this one. It's pretty cool.
The orange Triceratops.
And look at this other free one.
A
This is
Sabertooth tiger.
Sabertooth.
A
Look
blue
at
Sabertooth
that.
tiger.
This is so cute.
That's cool.
That is so cool, huh? Okay, let's see. Nason accidentally smashed this one already. Okay? Bam! So what do we have in there?
An egg with an eye.
An egg with an eye. Look, boom! Egg with an eye. Wow, that's pretty weird. What is that? Is that a fly? It's a mosquito. Look at that. It's a mosquito. A frozen mosquito. Ugh. That's pretty cool. How do you like your eggs, sir? Do you want some scrambled egg?
No.
Alright. Open it, buddy. Ooh. Whoa.
Open this one.
Whoa. Whoa. I think this is a... What the... What is this? Oh, slime.
Slime.
Let's see what's in there.
Ugh.
Show it to them.
Ugh.
Wait a minute. What is that? Oh, it looks like a rat. It is a rat. An Ice Age rat. Look. I want to open one. Look at this. Oh! Ooh! Ooh!
Don't smash it.
Alright. Cook an egg. Alright. What? What? Wait a minute.
The woolly mammoth.
I think...
It's this one.
Whoa! Is this a rare one? But that is pretty good.
A woolly mammoth.
Woolly mammoth! What? It looks like a gummy bear. Oh, no, don't eat it, guys, okay?
It's toy, not food.
What is this? Open it up. Oh, you open it differently this time.
Ew.
Oh, what is this? Oh, that is pretty cool. This is a wolf.
A wolf?
Oh, I'm loving this. I'm loving this one. It's like an Arctic wolf. Is this a wolf or a rat? It looks like a rat, but it's a wolf, bro. It's a wolf. Oh man, that is pretty good. What is the next one?
Another woolly mammoth.
Another woolly mammoth. What?
But different color scheme.
Different color scheme woolly mammoth. All right. So
Now the other one.
So Nason, are you ready for the next one?
Yeah.
The next one it is. Alright, Nason, open it. Before we smash the egg, Nason, let's show them what you have for free first. And this is the first one. What is this, Nason?
A T-Rex.
A frozen T-Rex, buddy. Look at that.
And a Brachiosaurus right here.
Look at this.
Look at Brachiosaurus.
What is that?
A Brachiosaurus.
Brachiosaurus, guys. Look at that. Man, I want to get a monkey.
A monkey?
Yeah, I want to get a monkey.
We got her here.
I want to have a frozen monkey.
Wait, look the egg.
look at the leg of this one.
It's a-
He's wearing shoes.
No, that's a frozen egg.
Frozen leg. Yeah, you're right. It's a frozen leg. I forgot this is the ice dinosaur. Are you ready to open that one? Show them. Smash it in there. Alright, what do we have there? Whoa! Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Look at that.
What the?
Is this a lion?
Yeah.
Look
It's
at
lion.
that. It's a lion, guys.
Daddy.
Whoa! Smash the another
Then
one.
another one.
Okay. Oh! I dropped on an accident!
Open this one.
Okay, smash it. What is that? Is that Bambi?
Oh.
What is this? It's a reindeer because it's Christmas. Look at that, guys.
Christmas reindeer.
It's a reindeer.
Daddy.
Look,
Daddy.
look at that.
Look at that reindeer.
Reindeer.
Yeah. So then.
Open this one. Wait a minute. What is that? Whoa! It looks like
A wolf.
it's a wolf. It's an Arctic wolf. Look at that.
Arctic wolf.
Look. Arctic wolf, guys.
Ooh, that's the, wait, look at the seal.
Yeah, no, look at the sail.
That's a what seal?
Yeah, that's
That's
an
a-
icy sail. Come on.
Nice.
Okay, smash it. What is?
Same pose.
Oh, it's a fox again, guys. It's a fox.
A different color scheme again.
Yeah, so a different color scheme fox.
See?
Smash it in there. There we go. Oh!
Duplicate.
Duplicate. Oh no! Last one, buddy.
No.
Last one, buddy. What is this? Whoa! What is this? It looks like a bison.
A bison.
Yeah, we didn't get the monkey. I'm a little sad, but we have some
No.
good stuff.
No.
Oh, it's alright. We have some good stuff. So let's review.
No.
Nason. So we opened both of them. So we have some pretty cool stuff.
Well, we have two duplicates.
Yeah, we got 2 duplicate from the eggs. But you know what's cool with this one? You know what's good with this one, Nason? With this, what do you call this again?
Is that Smashers?
Yeah, the Ice Dino Smashers. You know what's cool with this? With this toy line? Look at the bottom. There's a hole. And you know what that hole is for? Show it, Nason. I'm gonna use the T-Rex. Yeah, baby! You can use it. You can put it in your pencil. You know, as a design. Look at that. So you can write. You can write with it. And you have a nice design in your pencil. Look at that. Or you can play with it too. Hey, Nason. What kind of animal are you?
I'm saber-toothed tiger.
Saber-toothed tiger? Are you part of the Power Rangers?
No. I'm
Oh! What happened to you? So yeah, you can play it like that, but look at that. Oh, you have a mammoth. Listen, which one is your favorite?
I think I did them.
All of them again? Make up your mind, buddy. So, which one is your favorite? Tell me.
I did them.
You know what? My favorite one, I think, other than this, the T-Rex, of course, I like this T-Rex. Look at that. That is
What's
pretty
that?
cool. Look. So, this is Nason's favorite.
I think I did them.
You like all of them? So, I
Yeah.
like this one. So, there we have it, guys. Nason's unboxing and review of
I done Smashers.
Ice Dino Smashers. Hey, Mammoth.
What?
Mammoth, can you help me with something?
What again? Scratch my back?
Yeah, you know it. Don't forget to
Subscribe.
subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified for our latest videos. And remember, stay healthy
And keep moving forward.
and keep moving forward. Bye.
Yeah!
Go. Peace.